All right guys, we're here with the 2025 4Runner and we're going to be putting on our standard rock sliders. All right, we have our rock sliders set up here next to our frame rail. They are marked P for passenger, D for driver side, so make sure you get the right side or they won't line up. We have 9 bolts in total holding this on. We have 8 M10 by 1.25 bolts that bolt into the frame itself. Then we have 1 1/2-inch bolt that'll run through the frame and that'll be on that rear mount back there. All right, at this P4 mount back here, your bolt that's gonna go through your frame, make sure before you get the rock slider up against the frame that you get these plugs out, else you won't be able to get the bolt through. All right, before we have it tightened all the way up, make sure that the bottom of these mounts are pressed firmly up against the frame, and that'll help it stay level and give it a nice body line.